Hello everyone, welcome back. I made another free preset. It'll be in the description below. Here's what you see on the screen right now. I made a vertical resolution and a landscape. So as long as it's within that 9:16 or 16:9 format, it'll fit, whether it's 1080, 4K, or 720, or anything in between. As long as it's that ratio. When you get it, it's in titles. So go there. It's under SDS Patriotic Slideshow. The vertical version is designed to run 40 seconds. The landscape, 1 minute. Now you can change all the pictures. I'll demonstrate that in a moment. Change the color of the frame. You have your horizontal, vertical, four corner, and gradient, both. And the door. I wanted to do a tutorial on this, but it would have took too long. If you want to see what it's made like, open it up in Fusion, and you'll be able to see it, how I made it. You can put this in a cell phone, iPad, any kind of tablet. It's got vertical resolution. The other one, you can put anything that's landscape. Click the browse button. When you make your media to put in here, don't use numbers. Use letters. If you use numbers, it'll make Resolve crash for whatever reason. I meant to open that up and show you. That's the one by default. It'll automatically adjust for the resolution. Okay, now I'll show you the landscape version. It's all the same, except for there's a lot more pictures. I don't think I need to go over all that again. I just want to show you. If you stick around to the end, I'll let this play all the way through for the whole minute. If you want to see all the pictures that's included.